Hi all, today we are going to see what is pseudonymization. This is used to represent other data. It can also called as alias, artificial identifiers or pseudonyms. This is used to prevent data from directly identifying an entity such as person name, phone number, address and so on. In our example, consider a medical record held by a doctor's office. Instead of including personal information such as patient name, address and phone number, it could just refer to the patient as patient ID in the medical record. The doctor's office still needs this personal information, and it could be held in another database linking it to the patient ID. Doctor's office can even release this data to medical researchers without compromising the private information. However, the doctor's office can still reverse the process to discover the original data. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye.